While most of the Chinese companies are dominating the smartphone market, especially the mid-range smartphone market, there is one Indian company which will launch 4 new smartphones in Indian market. To know more, watch the complete video. Lava Mobiles has confirmed to the Mobile Indian that the Lava company is planning to launch 4 new smartphones in next 60 days, but all of those will come with a MediaTek chipsets. Now that's something which should be looked into, as most people prefer Snapdragon processors these days. I don't say MediaTek processors are bad. There are processors like P60, P70 which are really great, but they should have gone with the trend. At least for 2 phones they should have gone with Snapdragon processors, but let's see what they're planning. Last month the company has launched Lava 34 Super, a featured phone at Rs 1799, and for a feature phone that's a normal price, and I don't think most people will be interested in it. Coming to the smartphone category, they should make some interesting changes or else the smartphone will be in the dust. Sunil Rana, president and business head, had shared the prices at which these smartphones will be launched, and that's between 5,000 to 15,000 rupees. Now that is a most competitive price range where the brands like Redmi, Realme, Asus, Oppo, Samsung and few others are dominating, making it hard for Lava company to get a foothold in this area. In the last 6 months, this brand released 3 smartphones, and one of them was priced at Rs 3,499, which is really a great price for a Android Go phone. But how many people heard about that? Even if they heard about it, they forgot quickly as there was nothing special about it, and lot of other Android Go phones were released. For instance, a Redmi Note 7 Pro packed a 48 megapixel camera which made way for its success. Also, it packed a lot of interesting features as a whole package, which is really hard for Lava as a brand to compete with these giants. I really hope Lava smartphone gets some great features to its smartphone, making it stand out and bring an Indian smartphone company to the top of the market. Guys, do comment what are your thoughts in this matter and share it with others as well. With that being said, I am Satej and see you in another video. Peace out.